One of the important points, I think, in this presentation about steam flaking is that steam flaking not only increases starch digestion, but steam flaking increases organic matter digestion. The real problem is that in corn, a lot of this starch is actually incorporated in a matrix of protein that is absolutely not digestible in the rumen. When we look at dry processed grain, we can see that on the average, starch digestion in the small intestine increases from 63% for dry process, dry rolled, ground, or whatever, to 94% for steam flake. The important thing to consider here is that a particle that enters the small intestine, if it's intact, that particle is going to probably leave the small intestine. We can see that substituting steam flake corn for dry processed corn will predictably increase average daily gain by about 6%. Steam flaking increases the net energy for maintenance value of the grain by 13%, increases the net energy for gain value by about 16%. So if you're processing a lot of corn, it's a big mistake to not be flaking the grain.